English is part of my day. In simple things I do and say, I hear it in the morning light and in the quiet of the night. English in life feels clear, I see it everywhere.
I use English when I eat, when I walk along the street. Simple words for time and place, English fits my daily space. Little moments, big and small, English lives in them all.
I don't need to force or try, English comes as time goes by. In daily life I start to see how English works naturally. English in life, every day I hear and use it in a simple way. I listen, speak and understand. English feels close at hand. English in life helps me see how easy learning English can be. I learn English at my home, I'm not learning it alone. Food and feelings, work and rest, English helps me say my best. Short sentences help me speak, even when my words feel weak.
I hear English in real places, friendly words and smiling faces. When I listen calm and slow, English starts to gently grow. Life and English come together, helping me learn better.
I stay relaxed, I stay kind, English fits into my mind. With daily use and gentle care, English feels right there. English in life, every day I hear and use it in a simple way. I listen, speak and understand. English feels close at hand. English in life helps me see how easy learning English can be. Life gives chances every day to hear new words and try to say. Little moments help me grow more than I may know. I practice English bit by bit, daily life is part of it. I repeat what I already know, I let my confidence grow. Learning English feels okay when life shows me the way.
Now I feel calm and clear, English life feels near.
I don't rush, I don't strive, English grows inside my life. I remind myself each day, English is part of life. English in life, every day I hear and use it in a simple way. I listen, speak and